President Trump's crackdown on illegal immigration is facing another legal challenge. A federal judge is temporarily blocking flights, sending hundreds of Guatemalan children back to their home country. William La Jeunesse is live in L.A. He's got this story for us. Hi, William. Good morning.
Good morning, Dana. You know, this is a Biden-appointed judge who turned around one plane already in the air and several others on the tarmac to stop some 600 children from being reunited with parents in Guatemala. So there are two different versions of what happened. So the National Immigration Law Center claims these kids who crossed the border illegally as unaccompanied children are being deported illegally, arguing each one as young as 5 years old deserve to remain in the U.S., saying exposing children to multiple harms and returning them to a country where they fear persecution and by flouting their legal obligation to care for them in the United States is wrong. Now, the Trump administration, however, says the children's parents asked they come home, and the Guatemalan officials confirm that, arguing the children are better off with family than in U.S. shelters indefinitely.
These children should be reunited with their parents. If their parents are in another country and there's no credible fear claim, then those children should be repatriated, reunited with their parents in their country of origin.
Now, in blocking the flights, Judge Sparkle Suknanan says, I have the government attempting to remove minor children from the country in the wee hours of the morning on a holiday, which is surprising, but here we are. I have conflicting narratives from both sides. Now, unaccompanied children typically stay in shelters 3 to 9 months until the government finds housing, usually with a relative. But reports of abuse and neglect are common, and tens of thousands of kids are lost each year. Now, under President Biden, thousands of children were ordered deported without their day in court or a lawyer. Of 80,000 cases filed against children over 5 months in 2023, 30,000 were under age 5. Most never show up in court. Now, in this case, the two sides are due back before Judge Suknanan next Wednesday. Dana?
All right, William La Jeunesse, thank you.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.